of Mercy Divine Property here in Port-Harcourt City, River State. And for sake of saying, you will not know our office address. I make I come here, make I show you our office address premises so that you don't know say now Mercy Divine Properties office. So you don't go miss your road. But before you come, you make sure say you call Banana Africa on 090-34296519. Call me, I give you the date. You come office, you take it for inspection, you see the land that you want buy with your correct eye, and then you pay your money, you give you your document, you get your peace of mind. If you want build the next day, fence out, buy all your cement and block, and then you go build. You know, sweetie, as you listen to me. Okay, see you. You see our signboard. Mercy Divine Properties Limited. You don't see I'm happy now so. And then make you come. You see say one plot is 7 million naira per plot. You Banana Highland. You can see the banner. We there everywhere. Come make I show you. You don't see Mercy Divine Properties Limited. You go see say for here where we dey like this, the company owns the plaza. So now here we gallant away for you. We don't dey go anywhere. You dey hear me so? Come. Are you seeing this other one? This is the Banana Highland, live in Port-Harcourt City. And they wait for you. Come. When I tell you say our office there for opposite Chicken Republic, see am. You can see across the road. You see these three. Chicken Republic there from here. Are you getting me? And then you go see NMPC filling station beside Chicken Republic. And then you go see the most popular living chest supermarket. You don't see them so. Directly opposite. This is Port-Harcourt Plaza. Number 181 Port-Harcourt Plaza. And there our office there. And Madam Peck will wait for you. You Banana Highland, one plot is 7 million naira. You dey hear me so? With 7 million naira, it's located just off Odili Road. When they are done with the bridge, just 3 minutes drive, you don't reach Refinery Junction. From there, the route will carry you, go Akado, go Eleme, go East West Road, go everywhere for Port-Harcourt. The thing goes sweet fireball. You don't understand because people wey don already buy everything, so then they thank me because I won't give them one better spoken investment wey be say they no go ever forget for their life. You dey hear me so? Madam Peck dey wait for you. Follow me, make I carry you go office. No be here you go stop, no be inside our office with this. Na the outside. Come make we go inside office, make I follow you. Yes, so Mercy Divine Properties. You just come to the office. Now office with this. Now office with this. Come inside. Yes, so when you come, when you reach here, you don't need to knock. You just pull and go inside. Open and go inside. Yeah. This is our office, Mercy Divine Properties Limited. You come to our office, we'll listen to you, the type of property where it makes sense for you. We recommend that for you. You pay your money, you collect your document, you get peace of mind, you build, and then you go happy. Come, we'll go inside. Here is the reception. They will attend to you, and then you come inside. Yes, sir. Yeah. We don't reach. Now the office be this so. Make her sit down. Now office be this. And Madam Peck Africa, they wait for you here. Don't forget, say the CEO, Mrs. Mercy Amatomeso, is a philanthropist, and she won't make everybody get land. You know, person will get passion to the help the less privileged, the vulnerable children, the widows, orphans, and making sure that they have food to eat. Such a person, she have a good heart, and she also wants make you also get land. If you don't get land before, she won't make you a prison. And Madam Peck Africa, the bringer of nothing but good news from the goodness of her heart. 9 day here, they tell you, say, make you quickly call me on 090342965119. You can collect your new Banana Highland. The plot is 7 million naira. We have some plots for 3 million naira at Orange Estate along the Ring Road project, and we have already built luxurious home that you can just pay money and park in. And all of these have a very good payment plan. And as you can see, the prices are sweet and affordable. And they wait for you. And you know, say me, Madam Pekwa Africa, aka Madam Good News. I love you.